Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Teachable Machine. First, navigate to the Teachable Machine website in your browser. Next, select a new project, choosing between image, audio, or pose based on your desired application. Then, establish at least 2 distinct classes for your model. For instance, if you are classifying fruits, you might create a banana class and an apple class. This initial setup is crucial for organizing your data effectively. Now, let's gather your training data. For each class, collect a substantial number of diverse samples. If you are using images, capture them from different angles, in varied lighting, and against various backgrounds. Aim for at least 30 to 50 examples per class for better accuracy. Once your data is ready, simply click the Train Model button and allow a few moments for the machine learning process to finish. After training, it is time to test your model. Use new inputs that the model has not seen before to evaluate its performance. If the model is not performing as expected, consider adding more diverse training data or refining your classes. Once satisfied, you can easily export your model. Teachable Machine provides options to download your model or host it online, making it simple to integrate into your projects. Teachable Machine offers numerous practical applications. You can create custom image classifiers to sort objects, identify different types of plants, or even recognize facial expressions. For audio, imagine building a model that responds to specific voice commands or detects certain environmental sounds. Pose estimation allows for interactive experiences, like games controlled by body movements or even simple fitness tracking. The possibilities are truly vast and accessible.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.